Use high-voltage bags on color TVs. A high-voltage generator was made. Catch the hateful mosquito. It's pretty good to use it to revenge. Next, I will share the production method with you. First, from the 1982 color TV motherboard, remove the high-voltage bag. Clean up the dust on it. Remove another 100 ohm resistor, a D880 transistor. Before production, need to insulate the core of the high-voltage bag, because the core is electrically conductive. If insulating paper is not wrapped, it is easy to short-circuit when you encounter broken skin when you wrap the enameled wire. Use 0.7 mm enameled wire. Wrap the iron core to 2 sets of coils. Feedback winding to 10 turns. Main winding to 8 turns. Note that the directions of the 2 windings are the same. Leave a tap in the middle of the 2 windings. Then, weld the collector of the transistor to the main winding. One end of the resistor is soldered to the base of the transistor. The other end is welded on the feedback winding. The transistor must be heat sink. Otherwise, the eggs will be fried in 2 minutes. Then, it is necessary to find the automatic brightness control angle of the high voltage package. If there is no information, you can turn on the power. Use high voltage wire to find an angle that can pull out an arc. Remember how many. Then weld the high voltage wire to the top. You can also use other lines to lead them out. These 2 thin wires on high voltage pack cannot be used. Just cut it off. Leaving a little high voltage line is enough. Cut off the excess. Prepare another 15 kV withstand voltage, 1 nanometer high voltage ceramic capacitor. Solder the capacitor to both ends of the high voltage line. It's ready to be made here. Power supply. A 3.7 volt lithium battery is okay. Have you learned it to no avail? The speed of the DC motor is too low. It only takes a few simple steps to change to a high-speed motor. Start by disassembling the case. Remove the rotor. You can see that the rotor has a particularly large number of coils. If there are more coils, the magnetic field will be smaller. Naturally, the speed can't go up. The modification method is to remove the original coil. Then rewind the thicker line. Here I used 0.8 enameled wire. Hang the wire head on any of the commutators, the top of the binding post. Then go around 10 times. The tighter the winding, the better. After winding, it is attached to the second commutator. Continue around the second coil in the same direction. Also go around 10 times. The third coil is also 10 turns. After winding, connect the end of the thread and the end of the thread together. Finally, soldering with an electric soldering iron is sufficient. Then install the enclosure.